Public intoxication cases in Galveston, Texas. Let's talk about it. The first thing to know is can you be arrested on the beach? We get this question a lot. People go to the beach all the time. It's an environment where you'll bring your own cooler, maybe have a few drinks. Can you get arrested for public intoxication there? The answer is absolutely. It is a public place. Anywhere that the public has access to can be a public place for purposes of public intoxication. But the most important thing to know here is that the police don't just have to prove that you are intoxicated and are in public. That's okay. What has to happen is you have to become a danger to yourself or others. And typically, police are not going to get involved unless there's some kind of altercation or somebody reports that you've crossed the road, in between the beach and some of the restaurants and places in a way that was dangerous. Or maybe they even see this happen. Sometimes people will be riding on their bikes. Uh, Walking, something like that, and the police will pull you over, stop you, and give you one of these citations or even arrests. And so, a public intoxication typically results in an arrest because you're not going to if they let you go, you're just going to still be in that situation in an unsafe way. Sometimes public intoxication arrests occur because you're in the car with somebody who's driving while intoxicated, and then all of a sudden you had this private vehicle you're in. Now you're in public, and there's nothing for the officer to do with you, and they'll just arrest you because they don't know what else to do, especially if you can't get a ride quickly. Every now and then the officers will try to let you get a ride. If you can't, then you'll get arrested. The other question we get is, can you get arrested on the Strand? These are private businesses. Well, yes, you can. What'll normally happen is if somebody gets in an argument or a fight inside of a place that sells alcohol on the Strand, then you can get arrested when they kick you out. And there's sort of this comedy sketch you may have heard of. Well, I was intoxicated in a private place. You put me in public. Well, they'll still arrest you, and you'll have to deal with the case. And you don't want to deal with that alone because we can help. What if you live somewhere else? This is another question we get all the time. People are on vacation or just live somewhere else to have a beach home, and they don't want to be traveling back and forth to Galveston for court dates. If you hire an attorney for a public intoxication case, we can appear for you. Most public intoxication cases are Class C misdemeanors. And so for our clients, they are typically looking to get that off of their record. And so what we will do is we will appear for them in court. We will negotiate with the prosecutor, maybe present an argument in front of the judge, and try to work out the case in a way where they don't have to come back to court and we can get it dismissed. If we can get it dismissed, that means we'll be able to get it expunged later. And that is the best thing that can happen in a criminal case, because an expunction is a legal device that allows you to remove the case from your record completely. All the government agencies involved will have to delete their records of it. That means the court, the prosecutor, the jail, everybody who knew you got arrested for this or wrote a report, they will have to destroy those documents when an expunction is done. I hope you've enjoyed and learned something from this. This is for educational purposes only. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.